Keep productivity high by performing equipment maintenance at the job site with Stellar Lube Trailers.
Hi, my name is Tyler Havens with Stellar Industries, and I'm here to show you our LubeMate 725T Lube Trailer. Our LM 725T offers 4 100-gallon new oil tanks, 1 250-gallon salvage oil tank, a 75-gallon stainless steel antifreeze tank, and a 120-pound grease kit. The rear of our trailer houses all of our pumps and reels, as well as the control panel to power the pumps, work lights, and compartment lights. In the front compartment of our lube trailer, we have a Van Air contractor air compressor to power all of our pneumatic pumps, as well as a used oil filter drain box and miscellaneous storage space. A great feature of our trailer is that all of our tanks are spring mounted to prevent cracking of the tanks. Our LM 725T features 4 work lights, 1 on each side of the trailer and 2 on the back. Our special trailer frame coating prevents rock chips, rust, and provides a long-lasting finish for the trailer. In addition to the standard LubeMate trailers offered by Stellar, we also provide highly customizable solutions to best fit your needs.
To find the Stellar Lube trailer just right for your operation, contact your Stellar distributor or visit StellarIndustries.com.